When choosing a new pair of glasses, you want to find the most comfortable frame size to fit your face. There are 3 size categories: small, medium, and large. Want to know your frame size? Click Find Your Size on our website. We'll ask you to fill in 3 numbers, which you'll find printed on your current pair of glasses. Look closely and you'll see them right here. The first number is your lens width, the second is your bridge width, and the third is the length of your temple. Fill them in and click Find My Size, and there it is, your frame size. If you don't have a current pair of glasses, don't worry. You can see how any frame looks on you by using our virtual try-on. Every pair of glasses on GlassesUSA.com is listed with its frame size and exact measurements, making it that much easier for you to find your perfect fit. That's it! Thanks for choosing GlassesUSA.com, here for all your eyewear needs.